Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Firstly, I would like to thank Devan sir. When I am coming Able Coaching Center, I am a very shy girl and I am so hesitated. And when I am joining Ankit sir speaking classes, he says of 3 words. I am unique, I am special, I am the best. This word is very important for my life. So I think everyone think this word. I am unique, I am special, and I am the best. It is a word of magic. It is a word of magic when we feel of yourself. So I think it is very important. Now, my name is Anshu Yadav. Know very well. I live in Etawah, which is located in UP. I completed my 10th class 2006 GGSE and I completed my 12th class GGSE same college 2008. I completed my graduation 2013 KKPG College Etawah, which is affiliated to CS JM University Kanpur. I completed my post graduation 2015. Now I am preparing for PGD examination. Here I am presenting of some views of value of time. Everyone know time is very important and it is very important than money. So I think time is very important. Without time we cannot gain of everything. So every work do in time and every moment and every time when you reach of any place, if you don't reach the time, you are think you are a so good person, but your affection, but your attention is good, but you cannot make of any other person is right. I think it is a very important of time. There is a very precious time of in this world. So every moment, every time we use the time. I think time is, everyone says money is a gold, but I think time is a diamond. It is a costly of money. Money we gain of any time, but once time is gone, never return again. So I think time is the most important. One American writer portrayed a picture of time, and when one people says, what is this? So writer says that it is a portrait of time because time is a wings of and he can run very fast. So I think time is very important. I think it is very important, and the famous poet said, कबीर दास काम करे सो आज करे सो अब पग में होएगी भौर करेगा कब. And I want to say some words of time. समय बहुत बलवान, इसी में सब बह जाते हैं, रह जाते जो शेष वही इतिहास बनाते हैं.
Very fantastic.
I want to say some words of my dear students. It is the time of your. It is the, if you use your time, it is the result of your future. If you destroy the time, time destroy you. Everyone knows time and tide waits for none. So everyone use of time to going of school, time to going on his work. So time is very important. I think this is the most important thing of my life. We can live without one day of food, but we can destroy of one time, it never returns. So we should always work in time. Time is very important, time is very precious, and time is everything for my life. And we gain of things of every time, and it is the most important time. We are standing here, we are students, we are the future of our India, and so time is very important. I think time, every person knows of valuable of time. So time to time work, and you get good result. And everyone have a special quality. If someone use the time, he make a winner, and who destroy the time, he is the failure. Once he said, the value of time is students who failed in one exam. Totally, he is the complete loss of 1 year, and every person of thinks of time is not important, money is important. I think time is very important and money is not important. If you achieve the time and you achieve the money, so I think time is very important. According to me, who shows time is a very special. Time is standing. It is a time you are looking me at time. It is a time if you are late in this class, so you miss your class. So I think time is very important, and I learned so many things of Devan sir. He is a very talented man, and he think always value of time, and he learns so many things. And Ankit sir is my ideal teacher, and I want to remember of all life, and I want to contact him because he is a very perfect man. Never I am contact any teachers. I met many teachers, but it is effectively, he is giving right direction, what I am doing or what I am not doing. But where I am, it is my first time of life, I am speaking of any students, a lot of students, any mistake, please forgive me. I want to keep a promise of everyone. Everyone is understanding the value of time, and give me promise everyone understand the time and use of time. So I think it is an honor to my speak. Time is more important. So think time is very important. Time is worship. Time is God, and time is everything. So I kindly want to heart it off my heart. See, time is very important. So everyone, old person and new person, and all my dear friends and family members who does not realize the value of time, I want to say some words of, if you knowledge of time, you came one by one to take of knowledge. What is the time? Time is the most important. Time is it. If you destroy time is never regained again. So I think time is the most important. So I think everything is time. Without time is we are not here. So I think time is most important, and time is that's all. Okay, thank you. Any mistake, please forgive me.